Hello, it's Gem Games, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to pause the game. So, when I jump and press the P key, it will pause the game, like this. And I press P again, it will unpause. Okay, let's get started. So, first we want to go to the content folder and to the third person folder. And next to the blueprints and to the PP third person character. Let's open it. And let's find some empty space, for example from here. And now we actually, if we do it this the correct way, we want to go to the project settings and we want to go to the input and we want to add a action mapping. Let's add one. Let's call it pause. Let's add a mapping. Let's click this and the key that we want to use, so P. Like that. You can see the P is mapped here. Now we can close this. And now if we want to search for that, we want to search for pause action events pause, like this. And from here, we want to call a flip-flop node. So this will switch between these two slots. Okay. And now from the A, let's call the set game paused, like that. Now we want to connect the A to here, and also let's connect the B to here. So it will switch between these. And when it's A, it will be paused, and when it's B, it will be not paused. Okay. Let's compile, save, and go back. And let's see. So now, if we press the P key, it will pause. And we have one problem. So, when we are pausing the game, we want to also set here, execute when paused. Or otherwise we cannot unpause it. Okay? Compile, save, and let's go back and check. So now, I will jump and pause. Yeah, like that. So, I think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. I also have a Call of Duty Zombies tutorial series on my channel. So if you are into that kind of stuff, please check that out. Okay, it's completely free and yeah. Hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.